Hey everyone, Jav here from Cut and Make Crafts, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these super cute personalized phone cases using my phone case design SVG bundle that you can get from my store via the link below. In the store you'll also find these templates, these designs, SVG designs for iPhone 10 until iPhone 12 Pro, as well as Galaxy Note, S10, and S20. So let's get started with today's tutorial. So I'm just using a phone case for a transparent phone case for iPhone 11 Pro. That's the model that I'm currently using. So this phone case fits the iPhone 11 Pro. So you can use whatever phone case fits your phone, obviously. So what I'm gonna do here first is I'm gonna measure the width and the length of this phone case. So it's very important because all phone cases are manufactured differently. They have different designs and there can be very slight variations, even though these templates are designed for iPhone 11 Pro or any other model that you're using. It's important that you first measure the phone case so that the measurements are accurate, because there can be slight differences in the model, in the phone case model, not the phone, obviously. So go ahead and measure the length and the width of your phone case. So I'm gonna measure this in centimeters because that's more accurate, and it comes to about around 6.5. So I'm gonna note that down right now. Now let's go to design space, and so first of all you need to unzip the file after downloading it from design bundles. So if you go to your download folder, you'll find this zip file with a zip on it. So this means it's a zip file. So you need to unzip it, and to do that you just need to right click and click on extract all, and then you can choose the folder where you want to extract it, and once you click extract, everything is going to get extracted, and you can see over here all the different versions of the file. So after extracting, you'll find 3 different folders. The first folder is over here is EPS, and then PNG, and then SVG. So if you're a Cricut user, you're gonna go for the SVG. And inside the folder I have placed all the SVGs based on the number, and I've also included a PDF key or a guide, whatever you want to call it, so it will tell you what number 1 skin looks like. For example, if you want to go for the skin number 3, you can just go to this folder and select skin number 3 from here, and then upload it on design space. If you want to upload all the designs together, you can go ahead and upload this one, this file which says SVG with all 30 skins, or template, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I already have this file in my design space, and I'm just gonna click on it and insert it. And this is a grouped file with all the phone case designs, phone case templates. And from here I want to select this one, the blue one. So what I'm gonna do is ungroup everything, and I'm gonna delete all the other designs, and I just need to cut out this one. And as you can see, it's pretty small right now. It's only 2 centimeters. So I am gonna resize it based on the size of my phone case. So make sure you resize this, even though it is for iPhone 11. I mean, whatever phone you're using, you make sure you resize it so that you can cut it out properly. So the width of my case is 6.5 centimeters. So I'm gonna I'm gonna resize it so that width is 6.5, and I'm just gonna click on make it to cut it out. And before we proceed, I want to add like a decal on top with my name on it. So let's do that over here. I'm just gonna click on add text, and so I'm just choosing a random word. Let's change the font, and I'm gonna go for something that's cursive so I won't have a hard time in so I don't have hard time reading it. All right, so my text is ready, and I've also created an offset. Now I'm just gonna click on make it to cut this out. Now let's say you want to add the vinyl on the inside of the cover. So what you need to do is, while cutting, you just need to make sure that you mirror the whole image. So, and when you're sending it to the mat, just make sure this mirror option is on. So when you cut it out, it's going to be on the opposite side, and you can stick it on the inside of the case. So let's go ahead and cut this out. If you guys need more help in working with vinyl, don't forget to check out my ultimate vinyl guide for beginners. It includes all the details that you need to work with vinyl. What is adhesive vinyl, how to use HDV, what temperature to use, and all the secrets that makes a perfect vinyl project. So go ahead and check that out in the description below. Right, so my vinyl has been cut. I'm just gonna read everything and get rid of all the negative spaces, and now I am gonna transfer it using my transfer tape. And as you can see, I'm adding the vinyl inside the case rather than outside. So I'm just gonna eyeball it and place it inside. So this is my first attempt, and as you can see, it's not perfect. It is slightly crooked, but that's okay. This is my first attempt. Next, I am gonna use my strong grip transfer tape to place this glitter vinyl outside. So as you can see now, the phone case has been turned upside down, and I'm adding the vinyl outside the case. Next, I am just gonna add the text that I cut out earlier. So it just says Empower, and it looks pretty cute. All right, so that looks pretty nice. Now I'm just gonna add some rhinestones. So I'm using the gem glue to add the rhinestones to the top. And I'll also be adding some rhinestones along the edges. And there you go. Looks pretty. I know some parts are missing. It's not really perfect, but like I said, it's my first try, and I am loving the results. And yep, that's how you create a personalized, beautiful phone case. Don't forget to check out the SVG bundle. It's available in my shop and you can find the link below. And let me know if you have any other requests for phone cases. All right, that's it for now. See you later. Bye bye.